Hello guys, this is class number 5. So let's start. One, 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 two, deux, two, deux, two, deux, three, trois, three, trois, three, trois, four, quatre, four, quatre, five, cinq, five, five, six, seven, eight, huit, huit, nine, neuf, neuf, ten, dix, ten, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Okay, guys, so today we learn to count from 1 to 20. Remember, you will find